Let's get started with purchasing your domain name. As you can see, we are on domains.google. This is one of the places I recommend to buy your domain from. There are plenty of places online that do offer you this option to buy a domain. I prefer Google Domains because they're really cheap. Most domains or .com domains are about $12 per year. And then you can also, if you decide in the future, to add on a business email account, so that way you can have an email address that ends in your domain name. Google Domains makes it very easy to sync up with Google Workspace, which does offer the business domains. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, it says search for your new domain name. So I've already purchased a domain name, but I just want to walk you through what this will look like if you were to go through this process of purchasing your own domain name. So for example, my domain name is the supportconcierge.co. I'm going to click on get it. Now, what you will notice, because I've already purchased the supportconcierge.co, it's going to show up as already registered, which is perfectly fine. Sometimes this may even happen to you where you may have an idea for your website address, but it may already be taken. So some things that you can do is maybe shorten the domain name, or you can even choose a different ending. So for example, say that I wanted the supportconcierge.co, but it was already taken. So what I could do is, because the .com is also taken, but the .net, .org, .info, and .us are also available, I can go ahead and grab the .net ending instead. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click on this cart icon to add it to my cart. I'm going to click on go to cart. And just a few things here, you'll see that it's $12 per year. Most domains are going to run you $12 per year. You do want to remember to make sure that you go ahead and put a reminder, or auto renew is turned on, so that way you never lose track of your domain renewing. If you do forget to renew your domain, it is possible that your domain can go right back on the market and someone else can purchase it. So if you don't turn on your auto renew, just make sure you mark your calendar with this date that you are purchasing your domain, and that you put a reminder, so that way you won't lose your domain. Privacy protection is on. You want to keep that check. So anytime you purchase a domain, your information is submitted to a database, because everyone that buys a domain name on the internet have to be entered into a database by law that identifies who owns the website or domain that's attached to this. So what you can do is you can turn your privacy protection on to protect your personal details from getting out there. Remember, this is a database, so anyone can go to this website, the Whois directory is what it's called, and look up your information. So the privacy protection is just protecting your personal information, so no one can see that and try to reach out to you. Just keep going. You can just do that and just pay for just your domain name, which we're going to do in this case. So it says due today $12. I'm going to click on checkout, and then that will take you to the checkout process of purchasing your domain.